10 tips on how to start metabolism. My metabolism is slowed down. I will never lose weight. How many times have you heard or said something like that? Although your metabolism can be destroyed by experimenting with diets, irregular foods, fast foods, or terrible lifestyles, nothing is lost. Don't expect changes from day to day, but in 3 months you will definitely be a new person. Just introduce new habits into your daily routine and discard bad habits. Let's look at some of them. What is metabolism? Metabolic processes in the body ensure that the energy received from the food is converted into energy, which controls our vital functions like circulating blood, body temperature, breathing, and digesting food. Metabolic reactions allow organisms to grow and reproduce, maintain their structures, and respond to their environments. The speed of metabolism is individual for each person and can be affected by some habits. A slow metabolism can cause the gaining of extra pounds. Here is what we can do to speed up the metabolism and lose more weight. For breakfast, take green food. As soon as you get up, drink a glass of lukewarm water with fresh lemon juice or green barley or chlorella. Within 30 minutes after you wake up, take your first meal of the day, breakfast. If you're not catching up, at least have a banana with Greek yogurt and a few nuts. So it is really worth getting up 10 minutes earlier. Nothing starts your metabolism better than a balanced breakfast. Workout. Interval exercises act like an accelerator of the metabolism. There are dozens of reliable tips on the internet to help you start with interval training. It is based on alternating physical activities with high intensity and subsequent high heart rate with phases such as fast walking or slow running. Avoid long cardio exercises, hours spent on the treadmill, which can slow down your metabolism. The muscle mass, which you build by exercise, consumes energy for its functioning, but fat cells do not. Therefore, include strength exercises in your training. Don't be afraid your muscles will grow big and you will look masculine. It is prejudice. Lifting heavier weights and stretching will help you lose fat. After workout, relax. Muscles do not grow directly during exercise, but after it when you rest. Therefore, it is important to rest between exercises and give your body time to relax. Your muscles need space to regenerate, and it is also important to avoid injuries caused by overload and insufficient concentration. Adequate sleep, proper sleep hygiene, and habits also speed up metabolism. Many studies prove the dependency between weight gain and reduced sleep. After a good night's sleep, you are full of energy and you will also have smaller appetites for sweet and unhealthy food, which should give you the missing energy. Don't be afraid of the sun. Regular intake of vitamin D will help you lose extra pounds. Also, your skin will be firmer and thanks to a gentle tan, you will also look slimmer and healthier. If you don't like sunbathing, include outdoor sports and activities, or just read a book in the garden instead of sitting on the couch. Spend more time in the fresh air. Fresh air and deep breathing also stimulates metabolism. It improves metabolism and helps burn pounds. In the summer months, change the indoor activities in fitness centers and gyms for outdoor ones. Play beach volleyball, which also massages your feet. Hiking in the mountains, draw energy from nature, or go swimming. It will speed up your metabolism, believe us. Buy a dog. The mere presence of a pet in your household will not speed up your metabolism, but the habits that your new pet will bring to your life will do. More frequent walks, more time in the fresh air, more sunlight will stimulate your immune system and speed up your metabolism. Dinner. Do you go to bed without dinner and believe that you'll lose weight? If your body is starving, it will go into sleep mode and keep kilograms instead of burning fat. Treat yourself to a light dinner, fish or meat with stewed vegetables, but avoid alcoholic beverages. Take no more than 1 glass of wine that will give you antioxidants. And as a dessert, you can take a piece of quality bitter chocolate, which according to Harvard studies helps lower blood pressure. Take a cold shower. Hardening your body with warm and cold showers has dozens of positives that are changing our lives for the better. Besides better immunity, your metabolism will also be in full swing. Sauna and wellness. The sauna is great not only for detoxification, but also for speeding up the metabolism. Just like the right detoxification can be introduced to the gradual acceleration of metabolic processes. Avoid alcohol, fat, and heavy meals, and visit the sauna 3 times a week. Healthy snacks and a drinking regime. There are dozens of healthy foods that you can include in your diet, which will stimulate your metabolism. From superfoods to chili or pineapple full of fiber, just enrich your meal with a few details and the results will come quickly. The drinking regime is a part of these details. You may think you drink enough water, but when you are on a reduction diet or detoxification, you need an increased intake of water. You can also start drinking green tea. A green tea caffeine mixture improves weight maintenance through thermogenesis, fat oxidation, and sparing fat-free mass as shown in a study performed by Maastricht University. Slowed metabolism is not a diagnosis, so you can't make excuses. It is also not in your medical records for the rest of your life. It takes only a few small steps to start feeling hungry again, the hand on the scale to start to fall, and for you to feel healthy and full of energy. Thanks for watching.